Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the top vent hose in a Samsung washer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new top vent hose. The top vent hose in this washer is located on the top of the outer tub. It connects the tub to the back of the washer cabinet, venting the air out from the tub. If the top vent hose gets torn, it should be replaced. To get to the part, we need to remove the top panel that's held in place with the two screws here. I'm using a Phillips screwdriver. Taking them out. Now I'm going to pull this top back and I'm going to lift it off. So this is the top vent hose that we're going to replace. Now we have easy access without the top panel. We need to remove these two wing clamps and then pull the hose off. Let's start with this one. And this one. And there it is. This is the old top vent hose next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Before installing the hose, I'm going to put some soap here. I already had it on my fingertips. It would be much easier to slide it on the plastic. Alright, so this end goes here and this one goes over there. There's a cutout that goes over the rib behind that pipe here, behind the port. Okay, and I'm going to squeeze this wing clamp, press it down, and we're going to secure this end. Same thing on the opposite end. Slide it on all the way, make sure it's all the way in, and I'm going to squeeze this clamp and press it on to secure the hose. Alright, now we're going to install the top back on. I'm going to place it down a couple of inches away from the control panel. Make sure it's straight, and I'm going to slide it forward so the front will lock. Now we're going to secure the top panel to the cabinet with a couple of screws using a Phillips screwdriver. Plug the washer in and make sure it runs good. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.